tuning in to Diamondback News.
I am Daniela Corrales.
And I am Nallely Ojeda.
These are the announcements for September 23rd, 24th, and 25th.
Sharyland North Junior High's mission is to inspire, educate, and empower all students to reach their full potential and become leaders of the highest moral character.
Every day, every class, attendance matters. Please make sure you bring in excuses from parents or doctors if you are absent.
Empathy. Empathy is understanding and feeling what others are experiencing.
How to avoid tardies. Do not walk friends to class, walk straight to class. 4 to 6 tardies is lunch detention, 7 to 9 after school detention, and 10 or more is ISS.
Cell phones must remain in the off position in your backpacks between 8:15 and 4:05.
Students with perfect attendance for the 6 weeks will receive nachos and drinks. Each 6 weeks will have a new incentive for those students with perfect attendance.
Meet our exciting artist of the week, Natalia Noriga and Jose Angel Arechea. These two stars shine brightly, showcasing not only their incredible talent, but also their outstanding behavior and deep respect for everyone around them. Let's celebrate their amazing contributes and positive spirits.
Get ready for memories. Pre-order your yearbook now at www.buytheyearbook.com. Use school code 730772 to secure your copy and celebrate the unforgettable moments of this year. Don't miss out.
The Houston Astros and Seattle Mariners clashed in an epic battle for the top spot in the division. But the Astros fell just short, losing 6-4. Here are some of the electrifying highlights from the game.
Get ready for UIL season. Practices are up and running. If you'd like to join any of our teams, come chat with one of the coaches or swing by Mr. Briones in room PA4 in the Performing Arts Building. Our first UIL meeting will take place on October 25th at BL Gray Junior High.
Sharyland North Go Gold Toy Drive, hosted by Sharyland North Volleyball, September 8th through September 29th. All toys from infant to adolescent needed. Please drop off any donations to room 816 in Coach Cantu's room.
Lord, I am filled with awe. See you at the pole. Global Day of Student Prayer, September 24th.
Join us every Friday morning at 7:40 a.m. in the competition gym. Students and staff are encouraged to attend.
And now, Diamondback News presents Room Tours, Episode 3.
Welcome, Sharyland North, to Room Tours Episode 3. Today we are here in the Pavilion.
This is the bench areas where you can sit down before school and after school.
Hello everybody. This is the main pavilion where people just hang out and stuff. These are the benches. Same exactly as the other one. We don't know what this used to be, but it should be opened up as a concession stand that should be open during the day.
Hello guys, and welcome to the library. As you can see over here, this is where all the students sit and read books, play chess, and do much more.
And right here is the chess area where students can sit down, read books, and play chess against each other.
This is the book fair, which closes September 19th.
Here is a non-fiction section, but I guess the O isn't here.
And this is the fiction section. None of these books are real, but they're really cool, and they have a lot of imagination. And this is where the students show off their books. Thank you for watching Room Tours, Episode 3.
Bye! Students are required to wear an ID around their necks at all times during the school day. If an ID is lost or damaged, replacements will cost $5. Please be aware that failing to have an ID may result in detention or in-school suspension. ISS.
Lost an item? A reminder that our Lost and Found is located in our assistant principal's office. Please stop by during the day if you have misplaced any one of your items.
Hey, looks like we found the pep rally footage. Let's watch the highlights.
Hello everybody, it's the Pepper Rally. I'm Mr. Carr. We're gonna talk about a few things before we start the Pepper Rally and the band stuff. Also the ID policy as well. Keep your ID on.
And now we're going to be playing red light, green light. Jumping jacks first. Green light. Oh, he lost.
Our next game is tic-tac-toe. 3, 2, 1. Oh no. And we have a winner! Introducing the Sharyland North Junior High cheerleaders.
Woo!
And now introducing the bad students.
What was that?
Lunch menu for today, September 23rd. Spaghetti and meat sauce, garlic Texas toast, roasted carrots, California Normandy, veggies, burger salad, and choice of milk.
Lunch menu for tomorrow, September 24th. Breaded chicken drumsticks, soft pretzel, baked potato half, green beans, burger salad, and your choice of milk.
Lunch menu for Thursday, September 25th. Homemade chicken flautas, Spanish brown rice, taco cabbage slaw, spicy beans a la charra, burger salad, avocado, and choice of milk.
Diamondbacks who are celebrating a birthday today, Mayra Cortez Rodriguez. Diamondbacks who are celebrating a birthday tomorrow, Emilio Morales Robles, Xavian Pileta, and Alexis Rodriguez. Diamondbacks who are celebrating a birthday on Thursday, Andrew Cerda and Miranda Lopez.
That's everything for today. Thanks for watching Diamondback News.
You stay classy, Sharyland North!